coffee. Negosyo recipe. 1 iced coffee latte. 100 grams milk. Sugar syrup. Stir. Ice. Cold brew coffee. Done. Spanish latte. 100 grams milk. Milk syrup. Stir. Ice. 100 milliliters cold brew coffee. Vanilla latte. Vanilla syrup. Sugar syrup. Cold brew coffee. Description box below for the exact list of ingredients and costing. Thanks for watching.